Kids Storybooks. Subscribe. A Kind Kangaroo. Once upon a time, in the vast and colorful land of Ozaru, there lived a kind-hearted kangaroo named Cody. Cody had the softest, brown fur and the friendliest eyes that sparkled like the morning sun. Cody loved to hop around the emerald green meadows, spreading joy wherever he went. His pouch was never empty, filled with delicious snacks for his friends, the chatty kookaburras, the playful joeys, and even the shy echidnas. One sunny day, a group of lost butterflies fluttered into Ozaru. They were far from their home and didn't know the way back. Cody, with his big heart, decided to help. He hopped gracefully through the gumtree forest, guiding the butterflies with his gentle words. As they traveled together, Cody shared stories of the magical outback and its wonders. The butterflies were mesmerized, and their worries floated away like dandelion seeds in the wind. When they reached the edge of Ozaru, Cody bid farewell to his fluttery friends. With a hop and a skip, he wished them safe travels back home. The butterflies promised to visit him in Ozaru whenever they could. And so, the kind kangaroo's act of generosity became a legend in Ozaru, reminding everyone that a little kindness can make the world a brighter, more beautiful place. And from that day on, Cody continued to hop and spread joy, making friends with every hop along the way.